Hey there, friends. Hope you're all doing well today. We're going to design a social media ad for ketchup. It's a simple and easy design, so I want you to follow along closely. We'll go through some straightforward steps. First, let's go to File, then New. Our dimensions will be 1200 by 1200 pixels with a resolution of 300 dpi in RGB color mode. The first thing we'll select is the background. Then we'll go to the color overlay and choose our color. We're going with a deep red. Here's the color code. Now click OK. Great, we've set our background. Next, let's add our product. As you can see, today's design concept is simple yet attractive. Now let's bring in our main element. I've got the ketchup logo, which we'll place behind the product just like this. See how it looks? Perfect. Now let's add an image of a farm. We'll convert the logo to a smart object, then create a clipping mask. Just like you see here. Next, we'll add some tomatoes behind the logo, exactly as you're seeing now. We'll go to the ketchup logo and create a dark red color. Press OK and it will look like this. We'll add a red drop shadow. The images I'm using, I'll leave them for you in the description below. After that, we'll move on to... Okay, this looks good. We'll distribute the shadow on our product. What we'll do is right-click, press Rasterize Layer, then we'll adjust the curves and create a clipping mask on the product to reduce the shadow like this. We'll press Ctrl N on the keyboard to invert the colors and make it white so we can draw and change the blending. We'll set it to multiply and go one by one to the areas with shadow. We'll change the brush using a soft brush. One by one, we'll go to the shadowed areas and reduce the flow. We want to reduce the flow a bit. Let's set it to around 22%. One by one, we'll go to the darker areas and darken them like this. Before and after. Before and after, the design is considered done in just a second. Alright, after this, let's add our lighting. We'll do the same steps. We'll make a curve, create a clipping mask, and increase the light a little. Control I from the keyboard and leave this in white. Then we'll get our brush, reduce the flow a little, leave it. We'll leave our blending mode on screen. Before and after. Let's take a look at the before and after the shadow. The farm image and create a layer. We'll use the white color and set our mode to screen. And we'll get the brush and increase its size a bit. We'll raise the flow. But the most important thing is to make our layer a clipping mask. We'll press like this to add a soft light and the opacity a little. We'll adjust it. As you can see, we can reduce the opacity again so it's not too strong. We'll create another layer and make a clipping mask. We'll adjust it a bit Set the mode to screen and use our brush like this. We'll make it smaller and click like that. Now we want to add the shadow for our phone. We'll do the same thing, but we'll use a curve. It'll automatically create a clipping mask. We'll reduce the shadow like this, adjust it, and use the keyboard to control it. We'll use our brush like this to add the shadow. The most important thing is to reduce the flow a little, so it's not too obvious. Let's go to the background. We'll create a layer and make a square like this, as you can see. We'll color it a very dark red, darker than the background color. We'll adjust it like this. Here's the color code. We'll press OK, and then OK again. Do with these edges. We'll click on the square and go to the filter menu. We'll apply a blur effect. We'll go to the blur options and create a layer. We'll take the color, make it a bit darker, set it to screen mode, and then use our brush like this. As you see, very nice this way. We want to make a shadow for our product. Gonna come to our product, under it. Gonna make a layer under the product and obtain this dark red color. We darken it much and take our brush and take the sleeping brush and enlarge our brush and make it a little smaller. We leave it like this and give click, make it smaller again and go up, give another click, very nice. We grow it a little and give click like this as well. That's nice. Here's a very beautiful shadow, a very nice shadow. We did a professional shadow. It's not done here. There are simple things to do yet. We want to do another professional shadow. We'll come to our product like this. We come and pull the product and come here to make a layer for the product. You'll see things came out unexpectedly. We created a very beautiful professional shadow effect, and it didn't take us much time at all. This picture, we went here, and we go and enlarge it. We want to leave the one here, like this. We will go and make a right click and flip like that. We want to remove this background. What we said before in the previous video, we will come to normal. We make it a screen because we take the background and take it like this. We will do control on the keyboard there like this, and make Familiarize. We can increase here. We can change its color up here and make it go to yellow. This color is very nice. This yellow color is good, but not nice. As you can see, we made a professional design that didn't take us time at all. A professional design didn't take us time. Come on. Let's add something like that to our design. We go up and we make a curve and reduce our shot a little, and we make control any of the keyboard and make sure that this is white. And reduce the flow a little. We bring the brush to see the flow. We reduce it a little.
Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
The design is absolutely beautiful. I'll leave links to everything I used in the description below for you to check out. Take this design and make it your own. Come up with your own ideas and put your own spin on it. For example, you could add an extra logo or anything else you want, and customize the design based on your own knowledge and creativity. The most important thing is to innovate and come up with original ideas from your own mind. Well, that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, my friend. Until next time, take care. Goodbye.